Hi everyone, on this video you will learn how to create a map using QGIS and Layout Manager. At first, please open your previous project from the Natural Earthquake Start datasets. Select Natural Earthquake Start for QGIS version 3 and click Open. Just wait for a couple minutes. Task completed, and next. Okay, this is our data. Since we only need the Z8 and with a couple layers, just activated the any 10 meters populated places, any 10 meter geography region, any 10 meter railroads, and any 10 meter urban areas, as well as any 10 meter ocean scale. Next, let's open our earthquake datasets. Your query earthquake datasets. Okay, this is your layers, and then let's modify the visualization based on the magnitude. Double click on the query layer, select the Symbology and scroll down, select this one and change into circle. Okay, next the size, select this icon, select assistant on the source drop down menu, select magnitude, then click this refresh button, then click OK and click apply. Okay, this is the preview of your earthquake datasets. Next, let's give it a symbol, label. Select the label, we select the magnitude, give it the buffer and the shadow. For the text, let size, we give it 5 and click apply. Okay. Okay, next to any 10 meter populated, we query into the Japan only. Open your attribute table and then click on this icon, select visualizing expression, go to administrative 0 name, double click, click the equal operator, click all unique, scroll down and look for Japan. Double click and click select features and close it. You can also move selection to top using this button. This is selected area, and let's add zoom to selection. Okay, very convenient. And click the select features. Next, let's open our layout manager. Go to project and click layout manager. Yeah, you can make a new map layout using this button. Just click create and new map, click OK and click this button to zoom full. Next, we will add a map. Go to this panel, add item, and go to add map and just drag like this and release. This is your map. Okay, you can modify scale here if necessary. So we will make it 50 million. Okay, and if you would like to make this later disappear, just return to your window, close this one, and you can deactivate this one like this and return to your window. Just click refresh. Okay, like this. Next we will add a grid for your map. Go to grids and click this add new grid icon, select grid 1 and click modify grid, and in the coordinate reference system change it into 4326 WGS 84. On the X interval type 8. Okay, on the Y interval you can type maybe 7.5 like this. Next we will add coordinates. Just activate the draw coordinates, select the decimal millisecond line like this, or you can also change into this one with suffix. On the left coordinate we will make it vertical, on the right side as well. Like this. Next we can also lock these layers, so if you make some changes in your QGIS main window here, so your map here will not be affected. Okay, next we will add inset map, so we will zoom to Tohoku region. Let's zoom to Tohoku region here, this one. Okay, and then we will add a new map. Go to add item and add map and select on, click, hold and drag in the empty area and release. Okay, this is our inset map. And then next we will make a overview. Scroll down, at first select your first map like this, and then scroll down, find the overviews here and click plus add a new overview, and on the map frame select map 2. Okay, this is our insert locations. Okay, next we would like to make the numbers disappears, so we go back to the main window, double click on the query, and then we will make it no labels. Okay, and then click refresh. Okay, like this. Or if you would like to make this one without the numbers, you just refresh and let's give it the numbers back. Double click the query, add the labels and click apply. Okay, let's return to our map. select the map and click refresh like this. Okay, next we will add the coordinates. Scroll down, look for grids, add new grids, click grid 1 and click modify grid. Change the CRS 4326, select it and click OK. In the X interval we put maybe 4, and on the Y interval we put 3.5. okay, like this. You can also lock the layers. Okay, we will modify the grids, draw the coordinates, make it decimal with suffix, and then we will put all the coordinate inside the map. Okay, inside the frame. Inside the frame. We make it vertical ascending in the left side, and also in the right side we will make it vertical descending. Okay, like this. And we will modify font size. Maybe we will make it 6 size. Okay, smaller. And we will give it a frame. Okay, go to the frame. You can select interior thick, for instance, or maybe line border like this. And you can also change the position of your insert map. Okay. Let's give it if you would like to see the zebra like this is the zebra style, to make it contrast with the main map. Okay, let's return to our map. You would like to make the numbers disappear. Okay, okay, let's change the frame. Return to your grid, modify the grid, and the frame, just select interior text like this. Okay, okay, next we will add the title. Go to the add item and click add label, hold, click, hold and drag on the empty area, for instance here, and then you can type the map's title, for instance significant earthquake history around Japan and its neighborhood. Okay, next we can modify the font size. For instance, we will change into 28 like this, or we will make it smaller, maybe 24. Okay, like this. You can also modify the alignment, left, center, middle like this. We will make it left and top, and we can also give it a frame and a background. Let's select a background. We can select the background using the color picker like this. Okay, and we can also modify, make it maybe darker. Okay, like this. Next we will get another information, for instance maybe the coordinate reference system. Go again to add item and click add label. Can we put it here? And we input the coordinates reference system WGS 84 EPSG 4326. Next we can also add another information, for instance data source from USGS earthquake search catalog. Okay, we'll make it bigger. Okay, like this. Next we will add scale bar. We will put it here. We can also modify the appearance of the scale bar. Go to the item properties of the scale bar. On this drop down menu, we can select double box, for instance, like this. Next we will add the dot arrow. Click, hold and drag in the empty space. A new window in the item properties will appear. Click arrows and find this symbol. We can also modify the appearance of this arrow. For instance, this stroke color we will change into white color. Okay, like this. Okay, next we will add the legend. Add legend, put it here. Okay, we can modify, uncheck the auto update, and then scroll down. We can also check this one, for instance this one. Like this. Okay, next we will modify our data. Let's delete this part. Okay, remove selected items. Next we can also change this into legend. Okay, you can change the query also using the edit selected item properties icon. This is for earthquake. Okay, we can also delete these layers. also these layers. Using the remove selected items legend. Okay, next we can also modify this one. This is the urbanized area. Sorry. Okay, and this one is for ocean. Okay, is everything okay? We can export our final maps using this button, export as image, and just give it a new file name real quick, around Japan. Click save, and we will change the resolution into 400 dpi and click save. Okay, that's all for the video how to make a layout map using the layout manager. Thank you for your attention.